Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix your PS5 Slim that's stuck after updating the controller. Watch the video until the end to learn this and more. Here are the reasons why this happens and how to fix the issue. Firmware conflict. Sometimes, after a controller update, the PS5 Slim system firmware may not sync correctly, causing the console to freeze or get stuck. To fix this, try restarting the console by long pressing the power button until it beeps twice. This should force a reboot and clear any temporary glitches. Controller connection issue. The update might disrupt the connection between the controller and the console, causing it to become unresponsive. You can fix this by connecting the controller to the console using a USB cable and restarting both devices. A software glitch. Occasionally, software updates may cause minor glitches that leave the system stuck. In this case, boot your PS5 Slim into safe mode by turning it off and then holding the power button until you hear two beeps. From safe mode, select Rebuild Database to solve any underlying issues. And there you have it. That's how you fix your PS5 Slim that's stuck after updating the controller. Thanks for watching. Till next time.